time to create some snow. Check out this foam cannon by MJJC. And this is the version 3, which is better than the previous version 2. This snow foam liquid can be purchased separately, or it can come in a bundle. You simply add 100 ml of this cleaning solution with 900 ml water, or the other way around as it's mentioned on the cannon box, and simply you're ready to snow foam. This is the main body of the cannon. Adapter fits perfectly with my Karcher pressure washer. You get washers, a feed tube with a nozzle. Instructions are easy to follow. I believe the short spray guns are the ones to get. Looks easy to carry and convenient. And finally you get a 1 litre hard plastic foam bottle. Let's set this up. Screw in the adapter. Attach the feed tube. Make sure everything fits in nicely. Cool, now we can add the solution. Add 100 ml of your desired foam solution. Now add 900 ml of water. I guess I might not be using this detergent suction tube on the Karcher, as now I have the bottle. You could twist the front to spray in different angles, or a simple high pressure shot. The top blue screw tab is to increase or decrease the solution. Does a pretty good job in creating snow foam. It's ideal to leave the snow foam on for about 5 minutes, in that way it will cut through the dirt. Then wash off. tried this solution I had previously and it does spray out perfectly, obviously without the foam. You can snow foam your cars, windows, outside of your exterior home, literally anything you wish to wash. This snow foam by MJJC is the one to get. Happy cleaning guys, peace.